I'm very excited about this next section. This one is about fields. I love fields. With fields, if you link it, the text is going to come to you. So I use fields and tables in AutoCAD to get specific data from my objects and then to do calculations for me. Now, we'll talk about the calculations part in another chapter, but yes, AutoCAD can be automated to make calculations for you, and you use fields to do that. So a field is a link in your text object, which could be a dimension, a table, multi-leader, or text, and it will display information about another object, system setting, or some sort of variable. They're used frequently with sheet sets and title blocks, but they can also be used anywhere else that there's text, except in a tolerance in the dimension settings. So open up the Movie House example file. Now, say we need to know and to note the square footage of the footing for this building. That's this guy right here. Now, we can easily select the polygon, read what the property manager tells us about the area, and type that into our notes. What if, though, we make a change and it's now bigger or smaller? I don't want to type it in either. So let's let AutoCAD do the work. Start an in-text object. Just put the note right here. And you want to insert a field. Now you can do that in one of a couple of ways. You can come right up here and click on the field button. You can right click and go to the insert field option right here. Or my preferred method is to just press Control F. This will bring up your field dialog box. Now you can see there's a lot of different types of things here where you can gather information from. And there are several different categories. I rarely use the all because there's just too many of them. You can go to date and time, and it will create the date and the time See here, I have number of sheets, sheet date, sheet number, drawn by, things like that. Client name, sheet title. I can do a lot of different things here. So if I go here to sheet title, you can see this has a little placeholder. That's for a field. Now this is set up to work with sheet sets. But if I double click on it, and I go to document, and I go to file name, it'll display the file name. I can display the path and the file name or just the name itself. And this is the little preview of what it looks like. I can turn off or on the file extension if I want to. Click OK. And here it is displayed right up here. So if I rename this file, that'll automatically update. It'll tell me what file it is. And that's just another use of fields.